Prayer isn't just about asking for things. It's more about how you prepare yourself to receive them. Just like sleep, prayer is a doorway to your subconscious mind. When you pray, retreat into a private space, shut out the outside world, and speak to your inner self in secret. Your inner self will then openly reward you. Prayer is like entering a dream state, where the distractions of the outside world fade away, making your mind more receptive to inner guidance. When you pray, your mind should be relaxed and open, similar to the state just before you fall asleep. It's not what you ask for, but how you prepare to receive it. The key condition is to believe that your prayers are already answered. Assume the feeling of your desire fulfilled, and the subconscious will find a way to bring it into reality. To pray effectively, embrace the feeling of your wish being fulfilled. A disciplined person always feels that their wish is already a fact. They understand that consciousness is the only reality, and that thoughts and feelings are just as real as physical objects. This understanding prevents them from harboring any feelings that don't contribute to their happiness, recognizing that feelings drive the circumstances of their life. On the other hand, an undisciplined person struggles to believe in things that their senses deny, usually accepting only what their senses confirm. This reliance on sensory evidence means they must shut out their senses before praying, to feel what their senses deny. The mindset of "I would like to, but I cannot" only reinforces the impossibility of achieving the wish. You attract what you are conscious of being, not what you want. Prayer is the art of assuming the feeling of already having what you desire. When your senses tell you that your wish is absent, any conscious effort to contradict this will only intensify the suggestion of absence. Therefore, prayer involves yielding to the feeling of the wish fulfilled, not forcing it. When feelings conflict with your wish, feelings always win. So, prayer must be effortless. Trying to adopt a mindset that your senses deny leads to failure. Yielding to the wish as a reality requires creating a passive, meditative state similar to the moments before sleep. In this relaxed state, the mind turns away from the physical world and easily senses the reality of the inner world. You are aware and capable of moving or opening your eyes, but you have no desire to do so. To reach this passive state, relax in a comfortable chair or lie flat on your back with your head level with your body. Close your eyes and imagine feeling very sleepy. Gradually, a distant, relaxed feeling will envelop you, and you will lose the desire to move. Once in this passive state, imagine your wish fulfilled. Don't think about how it will be achieved, just that it has been achieved. Picture your desired outcome in your mind and feel as if it has already happened. Thoughts create tiny speech movements that can be heard in this passive state as external pronouncements, though this deep passivity isn't necessary to realize your prayers. What is essential is creating a passive state and feeling your wish fulfilled. Everything you need or desire is already within you. You don't need anyone else to give it to you. It is already yours. Bring your desires into reality by imagining and feeling them fulfilled.